So first here's what it's gonna look like. But I'll show you how to make it. So you should probably leave a little bit of rope on the end. So first you just wrap two loops around your fingers, and then you do it again, and then you just take the bottom loop on your finger, and then you just take it around, and then you just leave it in the middle, and then you do that for the other finger, and then you can like push it down, and then you just do it again. And then I'll do it one more time. And then this is what you should have. And then to end it, all you do is so you pull both loops off your fingers, and then you take the rest of it, and then you just loop it through both of the loops. Okay, so I finished all of the blue, and now I'm just gonna take it off, and now I want to add this yellow. So I'm just gonna so take the two loops, and then do what I did. I'm just gonna loop it through, loop the rest of the yarn through. And then I'm going to take the end of the yellow, and then I'm just going to tie them together. And I'm going to do it pretty tight, so when I actually make the rug, it doesn't fall off. So I'm just going to pull it as tight as it can go. And then, so now it's just like part of the rope. So now I'm just gonna continue, but I'm just gonna then I'm just gonna get the two loops that I looped the rope through, and then I'm just gonna put it back on my fingers. Okay, so I finished the yellow, and so now I'm just gonna lay it out how I want my rug to be. So I'm just gonna like basically just make a circle rug, and I'm going to now I'm gonna like make it into a spiral and just see if I need more if I need to make more rope. Anyways, so when I laid it out, it looks like this. So I think it looks good. So now I am just going to put it all together, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. So how I did it was I actually hot glued it. I know there's a way to like actually get it together, but I was really lazy.